Hi guys, I'm here with my crusty dusty self. Yesterday, I started taking out my hair and I just woke up. It's about 9:30 in the morning and normally I would clean my place before I go to bed, but I couldn't clean it. We got a few messes here. This video is basically a wash day, but you're gonna see how the day goes before I get to my wash day. I hate this. Let's do it. What he does. Every time I clean the place. Theo, get down. Every time I clean the place. That's why I have to dry it right after. Otherwise, he's gonna have his paws on my wet counter. Alright, so the kitchen, let me turn the lights on. But everywhere is clean now. I feel whole again. That took about 10-15 minutes. I'll normally sweep, but I'm gonna vacuum because it's quicker. And these kids are hungry. Get down! See, Theo waits for his food like a good student. Stormy, that's not yours. This is where we are. This is like out of the twist out. I think I got most of it. If I wouldn't be surprised when I'm doing my hair and I missed the whole braid because it took a while to put it in and I knew it was going to take a while to take out too. I had a whole speech about this and I thought I was recording but I wasn't. I bought this from Ulta Beauty. Okay, you can use it for protective styles, but they want you to section your hair and basically use it without rinsing it out. You can leave it in your scalp and massaging your scalp for relief. So an itching relief. I didn't want to use it for my protective styling because when I got it, I used it in my hair and the next day it was like flaking everywhere. So I don't know what's up with that. Maybe the product in my hair did not agree with it and I didn't want to mess up my twist. So now that I'm going to wash my hair, I'm just gonna use it and I'm gonna use it to soften my root. All this stuff, yeah, I want to just soften it. As water, but it also has aloe vera juice. That's like the third ingredient. It has peppermint oil, citric acid, it has castor seed oil, it has rosemary leaf oil, lavender oil, niacinamide is in here, vitamin B is also in here, dandelion extract, you know, and some lemon. These are the reasons why I got it. It's a little bit burning. My hair is dry. Look at the dry. And I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. So sorry. Ooh! Pre-poo. I've still not gotten any new pre-poo. This is the pre-poo I'm using. Put it in hot water as always. So the warmth, I need the warmth right now. My hair is super dry. I need heat to help the product penetrate. So this is the new Tangle Teezer I got. Soft bristles. I do have one already. Okay, it's good. Really not tugging. The arm brush, I feel like I get more tugging and more pain with it, even though it's detangling the toughest tangles. But I can do the same with this one and have it be gentle on my scalp and still detangle my hair real good. I took 30 minutes to detangle this side. I think I'm switching to Tangle Teezer for about 3 months and we'll see how that goes. how much hair I lost. I kind of expedite how I get the hair out. Basically, hold it like this, run it under the sink instead of like this. Hold it like this, water passes through and pushes the hair forward, and you pull it, and you get a clean brush. I did a lip scrub, so I'm gonna take it off. My sister bought this for me from Korea. It's for dark spots. I don't know if you've heard of it. I'm gonna use it. I'll use this on my scalp, but remember I used that pattern. Remember I used this stuff? I think I used too much. I was just squirting, squirting, squirting. The mint in here is quite strong, like and Washday completed. Oh my goodness, that was a lot, but I didn't really struggle. It's just a lot. I was quite, this is probably one of my easiest wash day after taking my hair out, all thanks to this comb. Saved my life. Highly recommend. Ain't that crazy? Okay, retention back, retention back. Okay, let's take it off. It's like literally dry, but this took me 30 minutes to do apparently. Are we done? Yeah, I have to like do it in a presentable way. I'll probably do this and put a clip on it, or do the two. I normally will do two and then put a clip on it. I will see. Okay, let's do the rest of my skincare. I really don't have a care routine, but let's moisturize my face. That's what I should say. I've had this, like, it's been sitting here since I bought it, and I really didn't use it because once I used it I purged. I don't think it was from this. I stopped using it. Now I want to use it again. I'm gonna use it on only my forehead and my chin. Alright, I think I'll end it here. I don't think I'm gonna do much. Thanks for watching. This was kind of like a little vlog. Hopefully you like it. She's been sleeping all day today. Hi, baby. Oh, sorry. She fears this sink because this is where she kind of gets bathed at. So when you kind of bring it here, she sees it. She gets traumatized. I just want to show you to the camera. Hi. I don't want her to come close to me and scratch me. Ma'am. Ma'am. Take care of yourself, guys. Love yourself and be kind to yourself. You have a few days remaining, so enjoy the rest of the summer, and I'll see you whenever I see you. Bye.